Today I'm doing a vlog here at Schofield's, so enjoy. We are approaching the platform number 2 Richmond service. Don't know what the set is yet, but this train will stop at Riverstone, then all to Richmond. Set A26. About to approach, we have a Mercedes, it's going that way. Mercedes-Benz 405 T74, fleet number 211. A26 now departing, platform number 2 Richmond service. And there's the Mercedes-Benz 405. Anyway, C1 is departing Campbelltown service. I forgot to film this actually at the station, but anyway, Campbelltown service stopping at Quakers Hill, Marion, Blacktown, then all stations to Parramatta, Harris Park, Maryland, all to Liverpool, then all stations to it's going again. And then all to Campbelltown by Glenfield. That was weird. We have a K set approaching, set K64, terminating service off of Campbelltown. Or Liverpool, I think it's Campbelltown. It is terminating, and then we'll proceed back to Campbelltown in about 25 minutes. I won't actually catch this leaving because I need to go home. Hornsby via Macquarie University service set A6 now arriving to platform number 2. I saw this train going to Riverstone. I apologise for the wind as well, if you can hear it, because it's windy. Anyway, this train will stop all to Blacktown, Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern Central,
Hornsby via
or this.
Macquarie University. First stop Quakers Hill, then Marion, Blacktown, Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then North Ryde, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University.
A6 now leaving.
Then all stations to Normanhurst and then Hornsby.
And then that's where it stops at. Saves me saying it. Okay, I'm just going to end this video up with K64. Again, it's a Campbelltown service stopping all to Parramatta, all to Liverpool, and then all to Campbelltown. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. See you later. Goodbye.